This is Tom. Tom is a professional independent insurance agent. Recent studies indicate that 80% of insurance buyers prefer to have an agent involved, and a large percentage of them work through independent agents like Tom. People know that as an independent, Tom has access to quite a few insurance companies, so he can present a wide variety of coverage and pricing options. There are several thousand insurance companies in the United States. Most of them work through independent insurance agencies. Because of the many companies he has contracts with, Tom can bring real value to serving you. As an independent agent, Tom owns the right to his renewals. Tom knows that he has to keep a customer at least 4 years to make a profit from that relationship. His desire to keeping you as a customer forms the backbone of Tom's devotion to service and delivering on his value proposition. Because Tom lives right in your neighborhood, he's much more accountable than someone working a phone bank in another state or country. A local, independent agent like Tom is your best choice for someone to be your valued advisor. Enhance Insurance by Aggregate, your independent agent web solution.